Okay, so barbecue controller status in the control tab. Okay, and this is basically just just defines all these fields right here that you're looking at. Okay, so we'll just start from the top. I don't know if I'm going to read all this to you. I guess I could. So, I'll just explain. So the current profile is the cooking profile you're on. That's these guys down here. So right now we're on profile 1. All right. The time remaining is 0. That's because this has been running for a little bit. Profile is held, so there's no minutes left in it. It's just sitting there because it's held. All right. And that's why it's showing 0. Otherwise, if there was some time left, the time would be in here. All right. And the target chamber temp, it's set for 300 degrees. You can see right here in profile 1, it's set for 300. And the current chamber temp is right on the money at 300 degrees Fahrenheit. All right. And, well, not anymore. Okay, so then down to cook state. So this is the cook by probe number, and that will be down here in under ending control, cook by probe number. When it's disabled, right here, you can see it's set to none or 0. And that's why there's a 0 up there. The cook by probe target temp just defaults to 145. I think it's right here. And this right here shows you the state the barbecue is in. It will say ignite fire. It'll say run, and it'll say cool down. Oh, and off are the main states. If it ever triggers and I think it says it right here. Yeah, right here. It says barbecue states are off, ignite fire, run, pause, and cool down. And pause is if the flame out detection fires and it's detected a flame out, and it'll pause the barbecue and start beeping at you to tell you that you're probably out of pellets. It's the main cause for flame out, right? Okay. And then this right here, the duty cycle, is just telling you the current duty cycle of the auger right now. And that's just kind of an FYI thing. I don't know how important it is. It's basically been there forever, so I just left it there. Okay, and the last status down here is the probe data. This thing, if you watch the intro video to these little tutorial videos, you'll know that this is running a simulator. There's really no meat plugged into this, and these are just fake, but they show if there are probes plugged into probe 1, probe 2, or probe 3 on the controller, this would be the temperature of those probes, all right? And it's the same thing as what you'd read on the front of the status panel on the LCD. And this is, of course, the outside temp. All right? And that, I believe, is it for this section. Yep, yes it is. Don't forget, you can support the Muxall Open IoT channel by donation using a credit card and PayPal, or by purchasing products at the Muxall store.